Thank you, madam. Konkan Railway was the dream of Konkan people since long. Madam, it came in a truth in a form of Konkan Railway Corporation. That credit goes to Barrister Nathpai, the late, Madhu Dandavarti ji, who was Finance Minister, George Fernandes ji, who was Railway Minister, and then Chief Minister Honorable Sharad Pawar ji, who highly contributed in the formation of Konkan Railway Corporation. Konkan Railway constructed own corporation, Railway Corporation Limited, KRCL, is only operating railway system owned and administered as PSU, seamlessly integrated with the Indian railway system in India, only one. KRCL carries 34 million passengers approximately through its system with 54 pairs of passenger trains. Its route length is 740 kilometers, which is approximately 1% of Indian railway. There are various central funds set up by the central government of India, from where the Ministry of the Railways gets annual allocation of the funds for a specific purpose. These funds for all the citizens of India. These funds are for the activities not directly related with the train operations, but are given as an Indian Railways is not able to generate enough Indian internal resources. Indian Railways has been spending these funds for the benefit of the people along the railway system across the entire country, except the Konkan Railways territory. As such, the people of Konkan, Goa and the coastal Karnataka regions are deprived of these benefits of these funds only because of the Konkan Railways administered as the PSUs, where only 17.64 crores budget is being now approved in this budget. KRCL incur expenditure for the railways user safety and comfort. On the same lines, there are some needs for the additional funds, improvement in the passenger amenities at station, other passenger safety works by high-level platform, foot, overbridge, etc., construction of ROBs, replacement of tracks. It is understood that Konkan Railway is carrying a huge debit, which is legacy of the money borrowed for its construction, annual interest burden of which is approximately 150 crores, because of which it does not have any surplus funds for improving the passengers' amenities, and argument is the capacity to carry the things. Madam, Konkan Railway, first it was started from Apta to Roha, where on a MOS I am requesting here, Apta to Railway, Roha is a central railway, and from Roha onwards it is a Konkan Railway. Madam, from Roha to Apta to Roha, the land is acquired in the name of Konkan Railways, but the project affected students, they are not getting this benefit. In the last, when Suresh Prabhuji was the minister, the doubling of the electrification, it was started from my native place, Kolar, and I asked to the Honorable Minister, the doubling should be started up to get at least completed to the Ratnagiri with the electrification. One, the Veer station is there. Mahad is highly industrial town where it is required to be there. Veer to Mahad, a new railway should be, DPR should be formed there. There are several problems of Pen, Mangaon, Khed and Chipun, where Janashatabdi, Mangala Express, Veraval Express, Nagarkundil Gandhidham, Appa Nijamuddin, Matsaganda Express are train to be required to be stopped over there. I would like to urge Minister of here, in my district, one RCF plant is at Thal. Pen to Thal is 27 kilometers, and 30 years before it is a good carrying track, for, not used for the passengers. I would ask to the state government, MMRD will make the funds available for that. At least the DPR should be made from Pen to Alibag. Last time it was announced so, but unfortunately it was not made at all therein. Especially Panvel to Karjat. The fast trains are now going on there, but the Panvel to Karjat, locals are not running. I will request to the Minister of State at least to look into the matter, and the new Chowk railway station should be formed therein. Karjat to Khopoli, one track is there, double track is being required. Kalyan to Karjat, heavy traffic is there. There are only 2 tracks, so 3rd track should be also made there available. For the bunker was there for going Pune from Karjat. Now the system has been improved, so at least the long route going to the southern should have a stop at least to the Karjat, and there are some issues of the railway overbridge, and station of the Karjat should be get updated therein. I would like to urge for some new railway stations, especially in Pen Taluka, Kharpada, then Gadap, then Mahad to be new railway line should be adopted therein. Especially, there was one project which was considered to do at that time. It was specially for Chipun to Karad, Konkan and Western Maharashtra to be connected therein. The budgetary provision was also made in state budget also. I would like to ask at least that DPR should be made where from the connectivity from Konkan and there can be also happen. I would like to urge this Konkan railway, which is not self-sustained. You are giving only 17 crores as an government share as a PSU. It should be either taken to the central railways, to the government, and or it should be strengthened therein. Another thing I would like to request, up to Roha, it is in the possession of the central railway. Either that should be given to the Konkan railways, so Konkan railway can be self-sustainably there. Again, I request you, a new DPR should be made, Pen to Alibag, then Veer to Mahad, and Chipun to Karad. All these should be made, and the long distance express trains should get halt at least at Mangaon, Khed and Chipun. Thank you very much, madam.